Yo, what's great, everybody? All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to take a long form video or a regular YouTube video and change the aspect ratio and make it into a short or a reel. So the first thing you want to do is get your content. I'm gonna go ahead and download this content right here. So I have this content here. I'm gonna go ahead and download it. I'm going to save the video, save it to my photos. And then what I want to do is open up CapCut. Once you open up CapCut, you want to go to new project. You want to select your project. You want to add it in. Now, as you can see, this is a regular YouTube video. And what I want to do is make it a short or a reel. So I'm going to come down to the bottom and you see where it says aspect ratio. I'm going to hit aspect ratio and I'm going to select the TikTok option. Once I select the TikTok option, I'm just going to scale my video until it fits. And then you can even do some effects, like you see how it's not in the middle. What you want to do is put it on a frame, select the clip, select this keyframe, slide your clip over, and you want to drag. Make sure the clip is selected and drag it. And then you'll see. Perfect, right? Great. Also, you can do the same thing here. Just like that. And then do the same thing here. Just like that. So all we're doing is adding keyframes to this video. I'm selecting the clip. And I'm just keyframing to put the subject in the middle. Just like that. Plain and simple, just like that. And then we can export it really quick. Export. And just like that, you change the aspect ratio of your video from a regular 1920, 1080 aspect ratio to a TikTok size or real size. If that video helped you, if you found value, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video.